The Objectivist Ethics. The Virtue of Selfishness, number 13. Ethics is an objective, metaphysical necessity of man's survival. A quote from God's speech: "Man has been called a rational being, but rationality is a matter of choice, and the alternative his nature offers him is, rational being of suicidal animal, man has to be man by choice. He has to tell his life as a value by choice. He has to learn to sustain it by choice. He has to discover the value it requires and practice his virtue by choice. A code of value accepted by choice is a code of morality." The standard of value of the objectivist ethics, the standard by which one judges what is good or evil, is man's life, or that which is required for man's survival, qua man. Since reason is man's basic means of survival, that which is proper to the life of a rational being is the good. That which negates, opposes, or destroys it is the evil. Since everything man needs has to be discovered by his own mind and produced by his own effort, the two essentials of the method of survival proper to a rational being are thinking and productive work. The Objectivist Ethics, the Virtue of Selfishness, number 23. Man must choose his action, value and goes by the standard of that which is proper to man, in order to achieve, maintain, fulfill, and enjoy that ultimate value, that end in itself, which is his own life. The Virtue of Objectivist Ethics, the Virtue of Selfishness, number 25. Life or death is man's only fundamental alternative. To live is his basic act of choice. If you choose to live, a rational ethic will tell him that principle of action are required to implement his choice. If he does not choose to love, nature will take its course. The virtue of selfishness. Throughout history, man has been offered the following alternative: be moral, choose a life of sacrificing to others, or be selfish, choose a life of sacrificing others to oneself. In the virtue of selfishness, Ayn Rand blasts this is a false alternative, holding that a selfish, non-sacrificing, non-sacrificing way of life is both possible and necessary of man. The Virtue of Selfishness, a collection of essays presenting Ayn Rand's radical moral code or rational selfishness and its opposite to the prevailing morality of altruism, to the duty to sacrifice for sake of others. The Virtue of the Objective Ethics, Rand gives an outline of her code of rational selfishness, and of her argument establishing it is the only objective, fact-based moral code in human history. In the course of the essay, she raised and answers a fundamental and fascinating question: why does one even need a morality? In essay including the ethics of emergency, the confliction of men interest, and thus life requires compromise, she raised common ethical questions, show how altruism has crippled people's ability to approach them rationally, and explain how her moral code provides a solution to them in man's right and the nature of government. She applies her ethics of formulate the basic principles of her political philosophy, and while rejecting the altruistic doctrine and rights to health care, employment, etc. The Virtue of Selfishness is dispensable reading for anyone who wants to understand the crucial ethical issue that at the root at so many of our cultural debates today, who wants to understand the revolutionary ideas that guides the life of Iran fictional heroes, who wants to lead an existence that is both moral and practical, who wants to discover why. In the word of one of the heroes of Atlas, the purpose of morality is to teach you not to suffer and die, but to enjoy yourself and live.